Hello, my name is Linda Jones, and I am the International Baccalaureate Middle Years Program Coordinator and Spanish teacher here at Highland Park Middle School. I wanted to give you a brief overview on our assessments and grading in distance learning for Highland Park Middle. We must always keep in mind that, quote, the single most important aim of assessment is to support and encourage student learning. This comes from the International Baccalaureate book, From Principles into Practice. As we begin the 2020-2021 school year in distance learning, modifications to our assessment and grading practices have been made in order to create more equitable and accessible learning opportunities for all of our students. We hope to provide our students with weekly assessments and feedback, perhaps via mini assessments, which we count as summative, that will happen weekly in your core classes, such as math, English, humanities, science, and certain world language courses. Also, you will experience mini assessments, summatives, bi-weekly in your elective courses, arts, design, PE and health, and certain world language courses. We hope to be able to give you specific feedback around the materials and the work from the students so that students can know and understand what is expected of them and how they can improve. The IB Middle Years program has achievement levels ranging from 0 to 8. The grade translation you can see here. 1 is an N, 2 is a D, 3 and 4 is a C, 5 and 6 is a B, and 7, 8 is an A. You can see some simple descriptors below. Your teachers will most likely provide you with lengthier descriptors according to the task. Students will receive a score on the IB Middle Years Program achievement levels. This translates these scores, as does Schoology. Remember that practice doesn't always make perfect, but it does make progress. Practice tasks will also get feedback of a score of 1, 0.5, and 0, as this relates to formative, some of the practice work that happens in class. This will be a simple indication of a small task and will not be factored into your final grade. With regards to deadlines, students will be given a 1-week deadline to complete the assessments and assignments given by their teacher. Students can meet with teachers to discuss possible extensions of these deadlines. After that 1-week deadline, the assignment will be locked and the student's focus will be primarily on the current assignments. We hope this will help to reduce any anxiety that students might be experiencing during distance learning. Thank you so much. And please, if you have any questions, reach out to me, Linda Jones, Spanish teacher and IB MYP coordinator at Highland Park Middle School. Have a great day.